हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू प्रायशु एजू। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 9 साइंस सब्जेक्ट में जो हमारा थर्ड चैप्टर है करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं उम्मीद के साथ कहती हूँ कि ये जो क्वेश्चंस है आपको आपके आने वाले एग्जाम में बहुत ही यूजफुल होंगे। तो लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट्स, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि फॉर मोर वीडियोस, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.praishueju.com। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या है। फर्स्ट है आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस and the first one is what constitutes an electric current, and the answer is charges in a motion constitutes an electric current. Next one, give the SI unit of current, and the answer is SI unit of current is ampere. Next one is define electric current, and electric current is the flow of electrons through a conductor. Next one is define the unit of electric current, and the answer is if one coulomb of charge crosses an area normally in 1 second, then the current through that area is 1 ampere, means 1 ampere is equal to 1 C upon 1 S. Next one is define ampere. 1 ampere current is said to flow in a conductor if one coulomb charge flows through it every second, means 1 ampere is equal to 1 C upon 1 S. Next one is what is a free electrons, and the answer is every atoms of a metallic conductor has one or more outermost electrons which are very weakly bound to the nucleus. These are called free electrons. Next one is what is the potential difference of the cell, and the answer is the difference in potential between the positive and negative terminals of a cell is the potential difference of that cell. Next one is what is the unit of potential difference in SI system, and the answer is the unit of potential difference in SI system is volt. Next one is define electric circuit, and the answer is a continuous path of an electric current through conducting wires connecting to the two ends of a cell and other resistance is called an electric circuit. Next one is give the SI unit of resistivity, and the answer is the SI unit of resistivity is OHMS meter. Next one is define OHMS law, and the answer is OHMS law states that current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. V is equal to IR or R is equal to V upon I. Next one is electric current is a scalar or vector quantity, and the answer is it is a scalar quantity. Next question is what is the unit of resistance, and the answer is the unit of resistance is called OHM and it is indicated by the symbol. Next one is define conductor, and the answer is those substances which have very low resistance are called conductors. Next one is define insulator, and the answer is those substances which have extremely high resistance and through which current cannot flow are called insulator. Next one is define the SI unit of resistance, and the answer is the resistance of conductor is 1 OHM if 1 ampere of current. Next one is how does the resistance of a conductor depends on the length, and the answer is the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length, means that is R is directly proportional to L. Next question is when the two resistors are said to be in series, and the answer is two resistors are said to be in series if only one of their endpoints is joined. Next question is when the two or more resistors are said to be in parallel, and the answer is two or more resistors are said to be in parallel if one end of all the resistors is joined together and similarly the other ends joined together. Next question is R1 and R2 are the two resistors in series. The rate of flow of charge through R1 is L1 and what is the rate of flow through R2? So answer is current is the measure of a rate of flow of charge. Therefore, the rate of flow of charge through R2 is also L1. Next question is if V1 and V2 be the potential difference across R1 and R2 in series, how much is the potential difference across the combination? And the answer is the potential difference across the combination is V is equal to V1 plus V2. Next question is what is the equivalent resistance of P resistors? Each of resistance are connected in series. And the answer is required R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus and so on. And then next one is R plus R plus R plus P times is equal to PR. Next one, what happens to the effective resistance when two or more resistors are connected in series? And the answer is the effective resistance when two or more resistors are connected in series increases and is greater than the greatest if individual resistance. Next question is what happens to the effective resistance when two or more resistors are connected in parallel? And the answer is the effective resistance when two or more resistors are connected in parallel decreases and is smaller than the smallest of individual resistance. Next question is define 1 OHM. And the answer is 1 OHM is the resistance of a conductor such that when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied to its ends, a current of 1 ampere flows through it. Next question is what is meant by electric resistance of a conductor? And the answer is resistance is a property of a conductor to resist of the flow of current through it. Next question is what is a SI unit of resistivity? And the answer is OHM meter is the unit of resistivity. Next question is name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. And the answer is cell or battery that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. Next question is how is an ammeter connected in a circuit to measure current flowing through it? And the answer is an ammeter connected in a circuit to measure current flow through it in series. Next question is what happens to resistance of a conductor when its area of cross section is increased? And the answer is when the area of cross section is increased, the resistance decreases as R is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये थे एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस जो हमने आपके लिए तैयार किए हैं. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. और हाँ, इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद. हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए आपका दिन शुभ रहे. थैंक यू.